Morning students, how are you? I hope all are very well. Welcome to our maths class. This is 8th standard, chapter 1 numbers. Okay, from before classes, we can learn about properties of integers and the properties of rational numbers. Okay, are you clear the definitions? Okay, today exercise 1.3. Now first sum, verify the closure property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers. Minus 5 by 7 and 8 by 9. Here given two rational numbers. You want to verify the first one closure property for addition and closure property for multiplication. Okay. First we can find closure property for addition. Closure property for addition. What is the closure property for addition? A plus B is also a rational number. Also a rational number. So this is a closure property. Okay. Then answer number A plus B. Here A what? Minus 5 by 7 plus B what? 8 by 9. Here, these two rational numbers also you want to add, but denominator not same. So you take LCM or cross multiplication. So I take cross multiplication. Minus into plus minus. 5 nines are 45. Next plus into plus plus 7 eights are 56 divided by 9 sevens are 63. The next here minus 45 plus 56. Both also different sign, so we can subtract. So 56 minus 45, what is the answer? 9. Here biggest number plus, therefore 9 by 63. Are you clear? Sorry, here this one 56 minus 45, 11 by 63. Okay, so this 11 to 63 is also rational number or not? Yes, this is also rational number. Therefore here hence true. Are you clear? Any doubt? So let's go to next one. The next one, closure property for multiplication. The next one, closure property for multiplication. What is the closure property for multiplication? Very simple. A into B is also a rational number. Rational number. Therefore here A into B is equal to A, what is given? Rational number minus 5 by 7 into B 8 by 9. So numerator multiply and denominator want to multiply. So numerator minus into plus minus 5 8s are 40 divided by 7 9s are 63. So this is a rational number or not? Yes, this one also rational number. Therefore, the right hence true. Are you clear? Any doubt this sum? This sum very simple. Here given two rational number, you want to find closure property for addition and closure property for multiplication. Okay, closure property for addition what? A plus B is also a rational number. So 2 also you want to add. So given answer also rational number. Okay, the next one, closure property for multiplication. What's the closure property? A into B is also a rational number. So you want to two rational number multiply, we get answer also rational number. Okay, hence proved. Any doubt? So let's go to next sum. Okay students, now second sum, verify the commutative property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33. So here given two rational numbers. Okay, what are rational numbers? Minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33. We want to find commutative property for addition and multiplication. That one we want to prove. So here first one, commutative property for addition. Commutative property for addition what? A plus B is equal to b plus a. First we take LHS. So here a plus b is equal to, here a take minus 10 by 11 and b minus 8 by 33. So here a plus b, a what? Minus 10 by 11 plus b minus 8 by 33. Okay, now we take LCM method, very easy. So denominator LCM take 33. Okay, now 11 table 33 how many times? 3 times. The 3 multiplied by numerator 10. So 10 3s are 30, minus into plus minus. Okay, the next one, denominator already have 33 only. So which table? 1 table only, multiplied by numerator 1 into 8 minus 8. Therefore here minus 30 minus 8, 2 both also same thing, so we can add minus 38 divided by 33. Are you clear? The next one, b plus a, right hand side, b plus a. B plus a is equal to what? So b what? Minus 8 by 33 plus a minus 10 by 11. Minus 10 by 11. So next what? This two also we want to add. So denominator we take LCM 33. So here already have 33. So 1 table multiplied by numerator minus 8 into 1 minus 8 only. The next here denominator 11. 11 table 33 how many times? 3 times. So we want to multiply by numerator 10 into 3 30 minus into plus minus 30. Therefore here this both also same sign. So minus 8 minus 30 minus 38 divided by 33. So this two also equal. Minus 38 divided by 33 is equal to minus 38 divided by 33. Therefore here a plus b is equal to b plus a. So here write hence rule. Are you clear? Any doubt? So go to next one. The next one, commutative property for multiplication. Next one, commutative property for multiplication. What's the commutative property for multiplication? A into b is equal to b into a. Here a is equal to minus 10 by 11 and b is equal to minus 8 by 33. So first we take LHS. Left hand side a into b is equal to minus 10 by 11 into b minus 8 by 33. Here any cancels have or not have. So you want to multiply minus into minus plus 10 into 8 80 divided by 11 into 30. You want to multiply 33 into 11. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, here 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 3 6 3, therefore 363. Okay, the next one, b into a is equal to b what here? Minus 8 by 33 into a minus 10 by 11. So you want to multiply numerator and denominator, minus into minus plus 10 into 8 80 divided by 11 into 33 363. Therefore here 80 divided by 363. Left hand side and right hand side both also equal to 80 divided by 363. So here a into b is equal to b into a. Therefore this one is proved. Are you clear? Any doubts? So very simple. So given question, two rational numbers given, we want to prove that commutative property for addition and multiplication. So commutative property for addition, a plus b is equal to b plus a. First we take a plus b, after b plus a. They both also equal. Therefore here a plus b is equal to b plus a. Hence proved. Okay. The next commutative property for multiplication, a into b is equal to b into a. First we take LHS. That means the left hand side a into b is equal to 80 divided by 36, 363. B into a is equal to 80 divided by 363. So both also equal. Therefore a into b is equal to b into a. Therefore hence proved. Are you clear? So to next sum. Okay students. Now there is some. Verify the associative property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers. minus 7 by 9, 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 3. So here given three rational numbers. We want to prove that associative property for addition and multiplication. Okay. First we can prove that associative property for addition. So here is an example of associative property for addition. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. First we take left hand side. So A plus of B plus C is equal to, here A what? A is equal to minus 7 by 9, B is equal to 5 by 6, C is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay. First you take A plus of B plus C. So here A what? Minus 7 by 9 plus of B 5 by 6 plus C minus 4 by 3. Okay. So first minus 7 by 9. So plus, first bracket inside, denominator not equal. So you take LCM or cross multiplication. Okay, you take you do cross multiplication. 5 3s are 15. Plus into plus only. The next 6 4s are 24. Plus into minus divided by 6 3s are 18. Okay. The next minus 7 by 9 plus of, here 15 minus 24. 15 minus 24. So here both also different sign. So we can subtract. So 24 minus 15 was the answer 9 only. So here 9, biggest number which sign minus 9 divided by 18. Okay, are you clear? The next minus 7 divided by 9 plus into minus 9 divided by 18. So here denominator is different sign. Denominator is different denominator. So we take LCM or cross multiplication. So here take LCM. So LCM we take 18. Now 9 table 18 how many times? 2 times. So multiply by numerator. 7 2s are 14 plus into minus 14. The next one here denominator 18 only have. So numerator that will be taken, right? Plus into minus 9. Therefore here both also same sign is on add. So 14 plus 9. What's the answer? Minus 23 divided by 18. Are you clear? Now go to next one. The next right hand side. Right hand side, A plus B plus C is equal to, A what here? Minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6. The next plus C minus 4 by 3. So first we take both also. First we want to add minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6. So here denominator is different denominator. So you take LCM or cross multiplication. So here take cross multiplication. Plus into minus 7 6 are 42 plus into plus 9 5 are 45 divided by 9 6 are 54. Okay. The next is plus of minus 4 by 3. Are you clear? The next here minus 42 plus 45. So this is a different sign. So different sign is also subtract 45 minus 42 3. So your biggest sign plus 3 divided by 54. So plus into minus 4 by 3. So 3 table have and not have. So here 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. Remaining 2. 8 3s are 24. Okay. Therefore here 1 by 18 minus 4 by 3. So next what do? So denominator is different denominator. So you take LCM. LCM what? LCM you take 18. So denominator 18 have. So one take only, numerator that level you take, right? Next minus. Now we have 4 by 3, denominator 3. So 3 times 18 how many times? 6 times. 6 3s are 18. So that 6 multiplied by numerator also. 6 4s are 24. So here write the 24. Therefore plus 1 minus 24. Both different sign. So we can subtract 24 minus 1. 23. Biggest number which sign? Minus 23 divided by 18. Therefore A plus of B plus C minus 23 divided by 18. A plus B plus c minus 23 divided by 18. Therefore both are also equal. Minus 23 divided by 18 is equal to minus 23 divided by 18. Therefore a plus of b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Therefore hence proved. Are you clear? So now first substitution only finished. That means associative property for addition only finished. The next one associative property for multiplication. The next associative property for multiplication. So listen careful. What is associative property for multiplication? Associative property for multiplication. A into b into c is equal to a into b into c. First you take LHS. So here a into b into c. So here a is here minus 7 by 9, b is equal to 5 by 6, c is equal to minus 4 by 3. So here first a was minus 7 by 9 into b 5 by 6 into c minus 4 by 3. Okay, now listen. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So here minus 7 by 9 into minus and plus minus 5 2s are 10 divided by 3 3s are 9. Are you clear? So listen careful here. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. After minus plus into minus minus 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9. Okay, are you clear? The next minus into minus plus 7 tens are 70 divided by 9 nines are 81. Are you clear? The next one a into b into c is equal to a here what minus 7 by 9 into b 5 by 6 into c minus 4 by 3. Here any cancels are having or not? So not have. So here plus minus into plus minus 7 5 is 35 divided by, so this one no need, we are going to multiply. So minus 7 by 9 into 5 by 6 into minus 4 by 3. So here 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Even any cancellation not have. So here numerator minus 7 5 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 7s are 70. Plus into minus minus 70 divided by 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. Therefore a into, so here minus into minus plus only, sorry, plus only. Therefore a into b into c is equal to 70 divided by 81. A into b into c 70 divided by 81. Therefore both also equal. So here a into b into e is equal to a into b into c. Therefore hence true. Are you clear? Any doubt? So this is the first one. Verify the associative property for addition. So before we can prove that, now associative property for multiplication. Okay, this one any doubt? Okay, shall I go to next sum? Okay students, next fourth sum. Verify the distributive property a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c for the rational numbers. A is equal to minus 1 by 2, b is equal to minus 2 by 3 and c is equal to minus 5 by 6. So we have given three rational numbers, we want to verify distributive property. Okay, the next step. What's the distributive property? A into b plus c. Distributive property for addition. A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. First we take LHS. So here a into b plus c is equal to a1 minus 1 by 2 into b 2 by 3 plus c minus 5 by 6. So here first here minus 1 by 2 into bracket. First you do. So here between two ratios between. So plus means denominator equal or not equal. So if not equal, you take LCM or cross multiplication. So I take here LCM. So LCM you take 6. Now first rational number 2 by 3. Denominator is 3. Now 3 table 6 how many times? 2 times. So multiply by numerator 2 2s are 4. The next here denominator 6 only half. So numerator that way will take on right minus 5. Therefore here minus 1 by 2 into, so here 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 means what? Different sign. So subtract 5 minus 4, 1 biggest number minus sign divided by 6. So here multiple two rational number between multiple happens out to numerator and corresponding numerator and denominator we want to multiply. So here minus into minus plus 1 is 1 divided by 2 6 are 12. Okay. The next one, right hand side, a into b plus a into c. So here a what? Minus 1 by 2 into b 2 by 3 plus a what? Minus 1 by 2 into c minus 5 by 6. So here cancels 2 cancel. So next minus 1 by 3 plus of here any cancellation not have. So minus into minus plus 1 5 is 5 divided by 2 6 are 12. So here take LCM 12. Now for minus 1 by 3 rational number, denominator 3 table 12 how many times? 4 times. That 4 multiplied by numerator 1 4 is 4 minus into plus minus. Okay. The next denominator 12 only have, so numerator that will be taken right plus 5. So here minus 4 plus 5 both also different signs, so we can subtract 5 minus 4 1 divided by 12. Okay. Now listen. A into b plus c is equal to 1 by 12. A into b plus of a into c 1 by 12. So both also equal. Therefore 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by 12. A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Therefore distributive property for addition is proved. Therefore hence proved. Are you clear? So here given some distributive property for addition. So 3 values given a, b, c. So first if you take LHS answer is 1 by 12. The next you take right hand side also 1 by 12. So both also equal. Therefore a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. This is your distributive property for addition. Hence proved. Are you clear? So next sum. Okay students, next fifth sum. Verify the identity property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers 15 by 19 and minus 18 by 25. Okay. So very simple. So here is given two rational number. First you take one rational number, verify identity property for addition. The next take minus 18 by 25, verify property identity property for addition. After you take both also you take multiplication also. Okay. First you take first one, identity property for addition. So first here a is equal to 15 divided by 9. What that's a property? Identity property for addition, what element? Identity element is 0. Therefore a plus 0 is equal to a. The next 0 plus a is equal to a. So here a first you take 15 by 19. So first you take LHS. A plus 0 is equal to a. Here what? 15 by 19 plus 0. Given any number add 0 means that same number. So 15 by 19 only. Therefore here a plus 0 is equal to a. Okay, are you clear? The next one, 0 plus a is equal to 0 plus. So here a what? A is equal to 15 by 19. Therefore here was the answer 15 by 19 only. Therefore 0 plus a equal to a. This two also, this one first equation, this one two equation. Therefore both also same only. Therefore a plus 0 is equal to a is equal to 0 plus a. So this one hence proved. Okay. The next we take minus 18 by 25. So if this one take b minus 18 divided by 25. What's the formula? B plus 0 is equal to b is equal to 0 plus b. So first you take b plus 0. B plus 0 is equal to b what? Minus 18 divided by 25 plus 0. Any number add 0 means that same number only. So minus 18 divided by 25. This is what? B. Are you clear? The next 0 plus b is equal to 0 plus minus 18 divided by 25. What's the answer? Minus 18 divided by 25 only. This one was b. Therefore both also equal. Therefore b plus 0 is equal to b is equal to 0 plus a. Therefore identity property for addition is hence proved. Are you clear? Any doubt? So this time also you do. Otherwise the two models also have. I do the two models. So first model this one, second model this one. Which one you want to use with that model you take. Are you clear? So I go next one. So first one identity property for addition finished. So next identity property for multiplication. So identity property for multiplication. So very simple. Identity property for multiplication element what is 1. Identity element 1. So here a into 1 is equal to a is equal to 1 into a. Are you clear? So very simple. So here a is equal to first rational number 15 divided by 19. So here first we take LHS. A into 1 is equal to a what? 15 divided by 19 into 1. Any number multiplied by 1 is that same number only. So here 15 divided by 19. So this one what? A. Are you clear? The next you take right hand side 1 into a is equal to 1 into 15 divided by 19. What's the answer only? 15 divided by 19. 1 4s are 4 only. 1 5 is 5 only. So any number multiplied by 1, that same number only. So 15 divided by 19 what? A. Therefore this one also equal. Therefore here a into 1 is equal to a is equal to 1 into a. Therefore here I hence proved. Are you clear? The next you take b is equal to minus 18 divided by 25. So here b into 1 is equal to b is equal to 1 into b. So first you take LHS. So here b into 1 is equal to minus 18 divided by 25 into 1 is equal to what's the answer? 18 into 1 18 plus into minus divided by 25. So this one what? b only. Okay. The next 1 into b is equal to 1 into minus 18 divided by 25. 1 into 18 plus into minus divided by 25. So this one minus 18 divided by 25 is equal to b. Therefore this is also equal. Therefore b into 1 is equal to b is equal to 1 into b. Therefore hence proved. Are you clear this sum? This sum is very easy. First one identity property for addition. Okay, first you take 15 divided by 19. A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. Okay, the next you take b. B is equal to minus 18 by 25. So as a formula b plus 0 is equal to b is equal to 0 plus a. The next one identity property for multiplication. Multiplication element 1. Therefore a into 1 is equal to a is equal to 1 into a. First you take rational number 15 by 19. After you take minus 18 by 25. 2 also hence proved. Okay. If you have any doubt, okay students, I'll go to next one. Good morning. Okay students, the next one objective type questions. Okay. Now 7th one, closure property is not true for division of rational numbers because of the number. So what given? So given 4 options given. So which one division property of rational number? Closure property of division, which one not satisfied? So okay. So option A we take. Suppose here denominator 1 half is this is a rational number only, so satisfied. So here minus 1 also denominator 1 half satisfied. But here 0 divided by 1 not satisfied. This is not a rational number. Suppose here 1 by 0 take means also not a rational number. Okay. So here 1 by 2 not a rational number. Therefore this is a not satisfied 0. So 1 by 0 take means undefined value. The next 8th one 1 by 2 minus of 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6 not equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 of minus 5 by 6. Illustrate that subtraction does not satisfy the dash property. So this one which property definitely you want to here ask. So what to first this one? Here I give this one first option competitive property. So this one addition or subtraction. Competitive property what? A minus b is equal to b minus a. So this one not. The next closure property what? A minus b is also an rational number. This is also not distributive property. A into B minus C, that one not. Next associative property, A minus or B minus C not equal to A minus B minus C. So this is associative property only, correct answer. Okay. The next one, 9 one. Which of the following illustrate the inverse property for addition? Inverse property for addition was A plus of minus A is equal to 0. So which option? A is equal to 1 by 8. So minus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. So this option only, correct answer. Okay. The next 10th one. 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 minus of 3 by 4 into 1 by 4. Illustrate that the multiplication is distributive over which one? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Which one here? This one distributive multiplication here given. Distributive property for this one subtraction. Therefore, what's the answer? Subtraction. Are you clear? So alternative questions also very easy. Okay. Today class of sum. So listen carefully. All the sums are very easy. First, you can learn properties of rational numbers. Okay. After you do the exercise sums. Okay. Shall I go to homework sums? Okay, students. I make one mistake. Sixth sum I will teach. Okay. I will teach sixth sum after go to homework sums. Okay. Now sixth sum. Verify the additive and multiplicative inverse property for the rational numbers. Okay. So here two rational numbers given. You want to find the inverse property for addition and multiplication. Okay. So first one, additive inverse property. So the first one, additive inverse property. So here what's the formula? A plus of minus A is equal to 0 is equal to minus A of plus A. So this is a additive inverse property. Okay. So here A is equal to, first you take minus 7 by 11. So first take LHS A plus of minus A is equal to what here? Minus 7 by 11 plus of minus 7 by 11. Already one minus now. After minus 7 by 11. Therefore here minus 7 by 11 minus 2 minus plus 7 by 11. So this one. So here minus 7 by 11 plus 7 by 11. Both also different signs. So separate means we get 0. Okay. The next one. Minus A plus A minus A what? Minus 7 by 11. Okay. Plus A minus 7 by 11. Therefore minus into minus plus 7 by 11 plus into minus 7 by 11. So here 7 by 11 minus 7 by 11. So separate means we get answer 0. Therefore A plus of minus A is equal to 0 is equal to minus A plus A. Are you clear? Therefore here hence proved. The next take we take 17 divided by 27. Therefore here B is equal to 17 divided by 27. What is the property? B plus of minus B is equal to 0 is equal to minus B plus B. Therefore here B plus of minus B. So here B what? 17 divided by 27 plus of here minus given B 17 divided by 27. Therefore 17 divided by 27 plus into minus 17 divided by 27. Both rational numbers also different signs, so we can subtract. Subtract this, we get answer is 0. The next one minus B plus B. The next minus B what? 17 divided by 27 plus 17 divided by 27. Therefore both also different sign. So we can subtract this was the answer 0. Therefore both also equal. Therefore B plus of minus B is equal to 0 is equal to minus B plus B. Okay. Therefore here hence proved. Are you clear? So this one additive inverse property finished. The next one multiplicative inverse property. The next one multiplicative inverse property. So what's the inverse property? A into 1 by A is equal to 1. And next 1 by A into A is equal to 1, both also equal. So this one now proved. So here A is equal to minus 7 by 11. First you take LHS. So here A into 1 by A. So here A what? Minus 7 by 11 into 1 by A. 1 divided by minus 7 by 11. So this is how to write this. Minus 17, 7 by 11 that like we taken, right? So multiply by. So this one 1 by minus 7 by 11. This denominator goes to numerator, numerator goes to denominator. Therefore, you take reciprocal 11 by minus 7. Okay? Minus 7 cancel, 11 cancel. Therefore, here was the answer 1. Are you clear? The next one, 1 by A into A is equal to 1 by A, 1 by minus 7 by 11 into A what minus 7 by 11 is equal to, you take here reciprocal 11 by minus 7 into minus 7 by 11. 7 cancel, 11 cancel, therefore 1. So both also equal. Therefore A into 1 by A is equal to 1 is equal to 1 by A into A. Therefore here right. Hence proved. Are you clear? The next one you take B. So here B is equal to 70 divided by 27. B into 1 by B is equal to 1. Is equal to 1 by B into B. First we take LHS. B into 1 by B is equal to B what? 70 divided by 27 into 1 by 70 divided by 27. So this one 70 divided by 27, you take reciprocal here. 27 divided by 17. 70 cancel, 27 cancel. Therefore your last answer is 1. The next 1 by B into B is equal to 1 by B what? 17 divided by 27 into B 17 divided by 27. Then this one how to write? This one you take reciprocal. Reciprocal means 27 divided by 17 into 17 divided by 27. 27 cancel, 17 cancel. Therefore what the answer is 1. Therefore B into 1 by B is equal to 1 is equal to 1 by B into B. Therefore here write the hence proved. Are you clear this one? So here given first one you want to find additive inverse property and next multiplicative inverse property. So here two rational numbers given. First you take minus 7 by 11. After you take 17 divided by 27. If you any doubt, okay students, subject type questions already finished. Next shall I go to homework sums. Okay. Okay students, today homework sum exercise 1.3 6 sums. The 6 sums also same class of model. Okay. Now first sum, verify the closure property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So here given two rational numbers, you want to verify the closure property for addition and multiplication. What's the closure property for addition? What? Closure property for addition. What's the closure property for addition? A plus B is equal to A plus B is also a rational number. Okay. Multiplicative closure property for multiplication. A into B is also a rational number. Okay. The next second one, verify the commutative property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. What's the commutative property for addition? A plus B is equal to B plus A. The next commutative property for multiplication, A into B is equal to B into A. After you do substitute the values, you can prove. The next third one, verify the associative property for the addition for the rational. What's the associative property? A plus of B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. After substitute this values, A 1 by 2 by 3, B minus 1 by 2, C 1 by 7. After left hand side and right hand side you can prove. Okay. The next fourth one, verify the distributive property A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C for the rational numbers. This is the distributive property for addition. Okay. So here A given minus 7 by 9, B is equal to minus 11 by 8, C is equal to minus 14 by 27. Okay. First you take left hand side A into B plus C. After the next right hand side A into B plus of A into C. After this was C equal to C, you can prove. The next is fifth one, verify the identity property for addition for the rational number. What is the identity property for identity element for addition? 0. So A plus 0 is equal to A. 0 plus A is equal to A. Okay. The next is one, verify the additive inverse property for the rational number minus 11 by 27. What is the additive inverse property? A plus or minus a is equal to 0. Minus a plus a is equal to 0. Okay, substitute the values, you can prove. So 6 sum also very easy, same classwork model. Okay, don't skip the classwork video. If you any doubt, please ask your class teacher or subject teachers. Okay, do well your homework sums. Thank you.